Alright, this is Eric from At the Ballpark Cards doing a 2-box mini break, group break for Panini Prizm, 2019 Panini Prizm and 2019 Leather and Lumber. We'll do the Prizm first. The group of teams and participants is on the left hand side. Good luck, everybody. All cards shipped, just like the last break. If you don't want all your cards shipped, just send me an eBay message telling me what you want out of your cards, but otherwise everything is shipping. So looks like we only had a couple teams represented here by customers: Ryan, Cassidy, John, and Anthony. I'll be sticking around after the break too if anyone has any questions or wants to do personal boxes. I'm going to roll through the base here, get to the good stuff. There's a blue Prizm, Dakota Hudson, Trey Turner Scorching. And here's the blue Mojo. That is to $3.99, Andrew Velasquez. Does not appear to be a hot box, unless it's an auto hot box. Red Prizm, Dean Dietz. Stargazing, the Nationals, Bryce Harper. Kristen Stewart, that one is numbered to 60. This is the Blue Wave. The silver, Matt Olson. Brilliance, Miles Michaelis. As a red Mojo, Nick Castellanos. 126, $2.99. First auto, the red Prizm, Brent Kennedy, Padres. Blue Prizm, Taylor Ward. Rhys Hoskins, Illumination. Blue Mojo, Aaron Hicks for the Yankees. There's a hit for the Yankees, $3.99. 262 of $3.99. Merrifield Red Prizm, Mookie Betts Fireworks. Jake Bauers Blue Mojo. There's a Prizm Scorching, Blake Snell. Red Prizm Sano. Machines, Jose Ramirez. And a lime green donut circle for Manny Machado. Austin Meadows Blue Prizm, Stargazing, Yankees. It's Aaron Judge. And a red Mojo, AJ Pollock, the Dodgers. The Dodgers is John Jay. 272 of $2.99. Prizm, Silver Prizm, Ramos. Chapman Scorching for the Yankees. Kevin Mitchell, Red Mojo. Oh, nice. nice for the White Sox. Who's got the White Sox? Oh, that's a Eloy Jimenez Auto to 25. The tough hit in Prism to get an Eloy Jimenez. Blue Prism, Bryce Wilson. Gallo, Lumber Ink. And Travis Shaw, Red Mojo. Brandon Crawford, Red Prism. Yelich. Adrian Beltre, Blue Mojo. Spotka, I don't know how you pronounce that. That's the Braves, Red Prism Auto. Marte, Red Prism. Wendell Instant Impact. And the Zebra, Pablo Lopez. It's your Zebra Stripes to 99. 12 of 99. Kopech Silver Prism. Trout Fireworks. Blue Mojo Tyler O'Neill. That does it for Prism. Moving on to Leather and Lumber. Bryce Harper, the Phillies. Scherzer, Moustakas, and a gold proof, Alex Bregman, the Astros. Ahmed Rosario, Relic. Rookie Sigs, Garrett Hampson, the Rockies. Griffey War, Chris Sale, Benchmarks, not whole gang of Harper, Arenado Leather and Lumber. One of these numbered. Box. Aaron Judge, Yankees. Adam Jones, Chris Bryant, the Cubs. The gold proof. That is Starling Marte. Rivals, Acuna and Soto. Dual patch. Number to 10. Sean Newcomb, the Braves. Auto to 25. Power Alley McCutcheon. Some Mike Trout Naturals. Another Aaron Judge. And there's a Rhys Hoskins not whole game, number to 10. DeGrom, Albies, Suarez, to 25, Joey Wendell. Patrick Wisdom, Rangers, triple relic. Justice Sheffield, rookie Lumber signatures, to 99. Mariners, I believe. Yes, this is with the Mariners. Hoskins Lumberjacks, Altuve, and a Power Alley Trout. Last box. Good luck, everybody. Ohtani, Goldschmidt, Turner, Freeland, Wilson Contreras, triple relic. It goes to Cassidy, Cubs, and Brandon Lau, rookie leather signatures, gold, 3 of 10 for the Rays. Aaron Nola, David Ortiz, DiMaggio, and Boyer. That does it for the break. Thanks, everybody. If you want to see anything again, please let me know. Or if you want just hits shipped, you can send me a message. Otherwise, everything is shipping. I'll post this on YouTube and send you a message with a link for it. Thank you very much.